Hello guys. So if you're thinking how you can retract or cancel a bid on eBay, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now let's go to the browser. So as you can see, here is a product that I'm currently bidding on, and I'm also currently the highest bidder of this particular product, which is the graphic cards. Now if you want to cancel your bidding, what you have to do is just simply open a new tab and just simply write retract a bid on eBay, then click on the first link. Now you can do it manually by going home, then how bidding works, then retracting a bid. So you can go manually as well, but by searching on a new tab is much more fast. Now if you scroll down, you will find your product over here. So all you have to do is just simply click on retract a bid, then choose your product over here. Now over here there are certain things that you have to know. So if the product you are bidding on has more than 12 hours left before closing, so if that's the case, you can retract your bid. Now if you scroll down, you will have few options over here. I entered wrong amount, changed the description or the place in my bid, unable to contact the seller, or any another reason. So in any another reason, you have to give a legit reason why you're retracting a bid. But for me, I will just simply go with I entered wrong amount. So click on it, then hit continue. Now just simply wait for a few seconds, then a page will come. So all you have to do is just simply click on retract bid. Now just simply scroll down. This is your item number, so you can keep a copy of it if you want to. Then scroll down, click on the drop box, see the reason that you have selected, then hit submit, and the bidding is retracted. And as you can see, the bidding is successfully retracted. Now if you go back to the eBay store, so as you can see over here, all of my bid has been removed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.